met a perfect end. We're both to the top of the sky, so we don't turn the steering out the window back to the door. The boy and hoping to us. How you began to stay? He said, son of man, I read them people's faces, knowing what you call for, but the way they held their eyes. So I held on, mama said, I can see her around the faces, her taste of poison, you do a sacrifice. So I had to have my body, drink on my soil, and he found a cigarette. He asked me for her life, as I drank out in the bar. His face lost all expression. You're gonna play the game for it. You gotta learn to win. Oh, yeah! You gotta know when to hold, know when to hold it, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your right. It's something I can tell them. There'll be time enough to count. Secret to survivor, knowing what to show it, knowing what to get. But everything's a winner, everything's a loser. The best you can't go for, it's a time to play. When you finish me, you turn back towards the window, crushed out a cigarette, I'm really on the floor. That's all around the corner. You can't hear your feedback. Within this fine hours I home. Let me hear you! You gotta know. Sing along! Know when to hold it, know when to walk away, know when to run. Count your money. You're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough to count it. When you feel it's done, you gotta know when to hold. Let me hear you! Know when to hold it, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. You're sitting at the table. Time